Hi everyone, in front of me is VIVO V20 and let me share with you how to change voicemail notification sound on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the settings and here we have to tap on the voicemail. Now let's enter notifications and as you can see here we've got the ringtone section, let's say, and here we've got set that it is default. We have to switch a little bit to the sound. Let's tap on it because right now it is mute. So after tapping on it, we've been transferred to the full list of all available sounds or ringtones, which we can choose. What's more, we can custom the ringtone, and here after tapping on this option, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any compatible ones, they will appear right here. You will be able to pick it. But let me pick something from the defaultly installed ones, and if you'd like to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to check it, and if you're happy with your choice, for example, if you like to set this doobie as your default ringtone default sound, which will notify you about the voicemail, just make sure that it is marked like here and get back. Let's tap on this back option, and as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on your device will use chosen sound in order to notify you about any voicemail. So actually this is it. This is how to change voicemail notification sound in your VIVO V20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.